Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Ruti, my assistant Bam Bam, and we are here live from Costa Rica. And today, so I've committed to doing, I'm actually in the second week now actually. What I wanted to do is inspire 100 people to work out. So I know I've inspired 28 people so far. So if you're new to joining me, then please let me know in the comments so that I can like mentally add you to my list of people that I'm inspiring. And if you've got any questions, then please reach out and give me a shout. And if you're liking this video, then please show me some love and hit some hearts. That would be amazing. So we're going to do 10 minutes of mobility, especially for the hips and the back. And this is suitable for beginners. So you can work at your own pace. If you only want to do one rep, then that's absolutely amazing because you've done one more rep than you might have done without doing this workout. So, there's always this pressure that we put on ourselves when we want to start an exercise program, and we're like, we've got to get it perfect and we've got to do a certain amount of time, and, we've got to do all of these things. And I'm just going to move this back a little bit. And, it is, hey, Colette! Hi, Annette! Yes! Welcome, welcome, welcome. And what's important is that you just make a commitment. And even if it's only 1 minute, right, that is a commitment that you're making to yourself. So really important for us to not beat ourselves up. So today's intention for our session today, and actually for the whole day, is that our intention today, in fact, we're going to go for an affirmation. And the affirmation is I am amazing. All right, so I want you to repeat after me 3 times. I am amazing. I am amazing. One more time. I am amazing. And I want you to remember that for the rest of the day. I want you to write it somewhere, put it on your fridge, put it on your water bottle, and write it somewhere so that you can remind yourself of how amazing you are. Because there might be moments when you're feeling maybe you're not so amazing, but you are amazing. And thank you for joining me. I'm going to start the stopwatch, and I'm just going to have a little slurp of. Oh, thank you, Annette. Oh, thank you, Colette. So, the other thing as well is I want you to let me know if there's any questions about anything to do with health and well-being, menopause, perimenopause, full menopause, exercising, anything, right? If there's anything that you want to know, just know that you can put it in the comments, and after this, I will be able to answer your questions. And you can always reach out to me via Messenger, via Instagram, via Facebook, whatever way, if you've got any questions, because I really want to help to inspire you to keep going and to do some exercise. All right, so today we're actually going to start off on the ground. All right, so you're going to get yourself in a nice comfy position. All right, and you're going to sit cross-legged. Ooh, that was a really big bird that just zoomed by. All right. Now, if this is uncomfortable for you to sit in this position, okay, then just find a position that is comfortable for you to sit in. It might mean sitting up on a cushion. You might just feel more comfortable having your legs out in front of you. It really doesn't matter. Like, there are certain exercises that do have certain techniques that are really good for you to follow. But when we're doing mobility, right, it's really important that you just kind of tune into your own body and do what feels really good for you. So I'm going to cross my legs. As you can see, Bam Bam's got her legs crossed too. Have you got your legs crossed? She's got her legs crossed. And we're just going to start off by, all right, you can come and sit in here then. She likes to come and sit in here. There we go. Okay, so we're going to start off by just doing some breathing exercises. Just 3 breaths, all right? So you're going to just gently breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Letting the morning go or letting the afternoon go, wherever you are in the world. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. And then we're just going to do some butterfly taps just to calm down the nervous system. So you're just going to have your hands like this, and then you're going to cross them over. And then you're just going to tap like this on your chest. I really love this one. It always starts making me yawn, so I can feel a yawn coming on already. Hang a minute. They're not normal yawns. They're like releasing yawns. I don't even know if anyone else has releasing yawns, but these are like releasing yawns. Here we go. Good. And this is a great little exercise that you can do throughout the day if you're feeling stressed out, or you notice you've got some anxiety coming up before you go to sleep. It's a really, really good one just to do. All right, lovely. Okay, and we're just going to start to just circle the body. And you can have your hands down on the ground, or you can have them on your knees. And we're just going to literally start to circle the body in one direction. Just mobilizing that spine. And you might notice that as you rotate, that one bottom cheek lifts and then the other one does. That's absolutely fine. And as you're doing it, you can also, if it feels comfortable, you can just go like a little bit bigger, stretching out a little bit more, leaning forwards a little bit more. Beautiful. And then we're going to go around the other way. I had to think there for a second. I have a bit of menopausal brain today. I am not going to lie. And any of you who are going through menopause or have gone through menopause, I've kind of gone through menopause. Like, you get days where you don't have a brain. And it's like you go to do something, you don't remember what you've done. Or you try and think about something and it seems like a really long way at the back of your brain. Does anybody else have that going on sometimes? Okay, one more time round. Okay, lovely. Okay, excellent. Or excelente, as they say in Espanol. Trying to practice my Spanish wherever possible. Okay. Me and Duolingo are best friends at the moment as well. I've been performing quite well in Duolingo. All right. So, just going to lie down on the ground and just have your hands down beside you. Now, I'm going to be squashing Bam Bam in this one, but just imagine you don't have a dog on the side. Because what you're going to do is you're just going to allow the legs to go from one side and to the other side. Lovely. And I've got... You know, that tickles so much, right? So we just allow, see, I've got my knees apart quite a long way, and I'm just allowing the legs to just drop over to the side. I'm not pushing down or anything like that. I'm just allowing to get a nice mobilization through this pelvis. That actually feels so good. I actually do this every morning when I wake up. This little routine I'm doing with you now. I actually do it first thing in the morning. Good. So we're just kind of doing like 10 each way. And your breathing is just natural. The legs are just, and you might notice the more that you do, the further over your legs can go. That's really good. And then we're just going to hold it to one side, wherever feels comfortable. And you might notice that you feel a stretch down in the right hip flexor if your knees are to the left, in the right hip flexor, and down the front of the quadricep. We're just going to hold that there. We're just going to practice some gratitude while we're here, right? While we're here, let's just practice some gratitude on how lucky we are to be able to be exercising. Because some people can't. Some people are in so much pain that they can't. So gratitude that we're exercising, gratitude that today is a beautiful day. Even if it's raining, it's still a beautiful day. And I want to send some gratitude out to my amazing friends. And two of them are on live today. Annette, I have known Annette for, oh my goodness, I'm just going to change sides. I have known Annette for 30 years. We used to do bodybuilding together. Yes, back in the day. I used to do Miss Fitness competitions and she used to do bodybuilding competitions. And we used to both work at this gym in Battersea. in the UK. So Annette and I go back a long way. And Colette, I've met since I've been here in Costa Rica. Okay, lovely. All right, so what we're going to do now is you're going to basically pull your knees into your chest for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you're going to just lift your hips up. You're going to squeeze the bottom as you lift your hips up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And do 10 of these. Number 2, putting the knees in. Just pulling those knees in towards your chest. Just mobilizing the spine and the hips. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then hips up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 3, knees in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. And hips up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a mosquito there to me. 8, 9, 10. And knees in. And you know, you can stop. You don't need to do 10. So if you get to 5 and you've done enough, then just work at your own pace. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when we're doing this, the shoulders are actually relaxed. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm putting my knees into my chest, but my upper body's relaxed, my neck is relaxed. Good, just holding that. And if the knees want to come out to the side a little bit, that's fine too. Good, I'm just holding that. Beautiful. And then hips up. I think this is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm pulling in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 7. And lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And knees in. 1, 2. Remember to keep breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 2 more to go. We're nearly there. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knees in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Number 9. Lift up. 1, 2, 3. Doing really well. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And knees in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last one. Hips up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. And knees in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. And we're just going to lift the legs up in the air. Just hold on behind the back of the knees. And just hold this position here. You can do it if you want to. You can do this and just put your legs against the wall as well. That's the other thing that you can do. We're just holding this here. And what we're doing with the hands is we're kind of allowing, oh, that was a butterfly. I don't know if you saw that. We're kind of allowing the legs to kind of go forwards, but we're kind of pulling in with our hands a little bit. Good. And then just wiggling the toes. Lovely jubbly. And just circling the ankles. And around the other way, circling the ankles. Fantastic. Bringing the legs down and just got enough room to extend that leg. We're going to bring the right knee into the chest. Lovely. And then we're going to cross the leg over and we're just going to push that right knee away from us, keeping the hips level. And you can increase this if you want to by bringing that knee into the chest. But here is absolutely fine too. I want you to have an enjoyable experience with exercising, right? And the thing is as you get older, it's really important to listen to your body even more, you know, and it's not about high intensity, you know, it's not about, you know, pushing yourself, right? It's much more about listening to yourself, like you're listening to your body, listening to how it feels and what it wants to do. And then we're going to just cross that leg over. And I find, even though I know what I'm doing, I find that, you know, if I increase the intensity from a weekly percentage too much, I get inflammation in my body. So it feels like muscle stiffness and soreness, but it just lasts like longer than it would do normally. And these are just all little signs, you know. Okay, fantastic. And then we're just going to bend the knees in and see if you can just rock your way up. All right, just going to see anyone else has joined us so I can just say hello. No. No one else has joined us. You know, I do have a mission, right? I would love it if tomorrow I was to get 20 people joining live. So that's my mission. And so tomorrow I will be live again at 10 o'clock. I just want to congratulate you on joining me today and doing this 10-minute mobility workout. And this mobility workout, you could do this every day, right? So you can save it and you can do it every day. As I say, I do it every morning. It's literally, I wake up in the morning and then I roll out of bed and I roll onto my mat and then I do this. This is one of the things that I do every single day. So this is one that you can do every single day. If you have any questions, then let me know. Just put it in the chat. As I say, anything you want to know or anything you want me to chat about as well, then also just let me know. And as we're exercising, I can just chat about it. And so I just want to say, have a beautiful rest of the day, evening or afternoon, depending where you're at. Thank you for joining me. Bam Bam says goodbye. She's not even wagging her tail at the moment. Look, she's on the watch. She's on the watch out. So have a beautiful day. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye, Facebook.